Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question and make a mistake. They are solve like cancel this 2 by 2 is equal to 60 divide 1 is equal to 60. But here this answer is not correct. Here they are making a mistake. Because math is always follow the rules. So let's solve this problem by using the PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. P means first priority is parenthesis. A means exponent, then multiplication and division, both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction, both also have equal priority. Okay. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. So now let's solve this question. So here is a one division and here is one multiplication. Therefore, both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. Is equal to 60 divide 1 by 2 multiply 2. Now 60. So let's solve first this part. According to KCF rule, if the first fraction is as it is same, then change the sign. So change the sign from division to multiplication. And now the second F means flip the second fraction. So F means flip is equal to 1 by 2, flip this fraction 2 by 1 multiply 2. Okay. Now here is a one multiplication and here is one multiplication, both have equal priority. Therefore we have to solve left from right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. So 60 multiplied 2 is equal to 120 multiply 2. Now 120 multiplied 2 is equal to 240. Okay, therefore the correct answer is 240. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.